Hello children, good morning. Welcome to my channel Learn and Grow with Ms. Shazia. So, first of all, morning song. Good morning, dear children. Good morning to you. I love you, dear children. Hope you love me too. Do you love your teacher? Yes, we should love our teacher because in school, teacher is the one who love and care about you. Okay. So in my last video, we have learned about letter sound S. So what is the action of S? Like this. Very good. You know everything. Very good. I'm very happy and very impressed with you. So and what is the sound of letter sound? Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Very good. So now we are going to learn a new sound. And this sound is, you can guess which sound is this? Yes, very good. This sound is a. This sound is a. Answer ma'am, answer ma'am. This is the action of a. Answer ma'am, answer ma'am, answer ma'am. They causing me alarm. Very good. So a start with a sound. A start with a sound. Very good. Apple. Apple. So we should eat apple a day. Eat an apple a day, keep the doctor away. An apple a day, keep the doctor away. If you will eat an apple daily, then doctor will be away from you. No need to go to doctor. You will be healthy enough. So daily you have to eat an apple. Very good. So apple. Apple. Very good. Alligator. 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 Very good. I have a model also for alligator. Look, so dangerous, isn't it? Scary. Yes, it's an alligator. Very good. And we have some more thing also. Ants. 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 Very good. And what is this? Arrow. Arrow. And what is the beginning sound of arrow? Is a. What is the beginning sound of arrow? A. What is the beginning sound of apple? A. Very good. So, and we have astronaut. And astronaut start with a sound. Astronaut start with a sound. Astronaut. Very good. What is the beginning sound of astronaut? Is a. Very good. So, again we'll sing the song. Start with a sound. Answer ma'am, answer ma'am, answer ma'am. They causing me alarm. Very good. And I have a model also of a astronaut. Very good. So today we have learned about letter sound a. Very good. So can you tell me about the senses? How many senses we have? Yes, good. We have 5 senses. How many senses we have? We have 5 senses. Eyes, nose, mouth, ear, hand. Okay, again. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears and hands. So we have 5 senses. We have how many senses we have? We have 5 senses. So We'll sing a song related with senses. Okay. My eyes are made for watching, so I can watch with my eyes. My eyes are made for watching, so I can watch with my eyes. My nose is made for smelling. My nose is made for smelling, so I can smell with my nose. So I can smell with my nose. My mouth is made for tasting. My mouth is made for tasting. So I can taste with my mouth. And my ears are made for listening. My ears are made for listening. So I can listen with my ears. My ears are made for listening. So I can listen with my ears. And my hands are made for touching. My hands are made for touching. So I can touch with my hands. Very good. So, how we are using our eyes? We use our eyes to watch, to see. And how we use our nose? We use our nose to smell. Whether the smell is good or bad, the smell is sharp or mild. And we use our mouth to taste. Whether the thing is sweet, sour, tasty or bad in taste. So we can taste with our mouth. And how we use our ear? We use our ear to listen. We use our ear to listen on the music, listen to your mama, listen to your teacher, whatever teacher is telling. How we will listen? We'll use to listen with our ears. Very good. And touch. We can touch the surface, whether the surface is hard, whether the surface is soft, whether the thing is soft, whether the thing is rough. We can feel with our hands. So we have 5 senses: eyes, nose, mouth, ear and hand. Very good. So we have learned today about letter sound A and our senses. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much and bye bye.